What if the reason nothing's worked for your back pain is because you've been too focused on the wrong thing? Everybody wants to give you exercises or adjustments, including me, because those are good. But nobody's talking about the fact that your joints need specific building blocks to repair themselves. I'm going to show you exactly what those are and the simplest way to get them in your body every day. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and here's what I see over and over again. You tried to fix your pain and stiffness with some stretches. Maybe you've tried physical therapy, but now you don't have time for the exercises. How about this one? Your doctor hands you some pills and basically says, welcome to getting older. But here's the truth. Your cartilage and joints are living tissue. They can repair themselves if you give them the right fuel. But most people are running on empty. So let's fix that right now with these 5 simple foods that strengthen your back, your discs, and your joints. First, let's start with avocados. So avocados have these compounds that tell your body to make more collagen. That's the protein that keeps your cartilage intact. Without enough collagen, you get bone-on-bone grinding because the cartilage wears down. But with it, you get smooth, pain-free movement in those joints. So avocados, they also shut down the inflammatory signals attacking your joints. So you're not just masking the pain, you're actually stopping the damage. Next, we have berries. So blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they reduce inflammation and joint pain. They're loaded with vitamin C, and your body can't make collagen without it. No vitamin C means your cartilage is gradually breaking down. Berries give you both inflammation control and the building blocks that your joints need. Okay, the next thing is water. I know it sounds too simple, but here's why it matters. Your cartilage is 70 to 80% water in those joints. The fluid cushioning your joints, mostly water. So when you're dehydrated, that cushioning disappears. Your joints grind together, everything hurts more. So hydration isn't optional, it's foundational. And number 4, we have broccoli. Yes, broccoli. So it contains sulforaphane, which literally slows cartilage destruction. It blocks the enzymes eating away at your joints and causing that arthritis type damage. So this is targeted protection for those structures breaking down inside you. And lastly, we have cacao powder. Real cacao, not sugary hot chocolate. So it's cacao, C-A-C-A-O, not cocoa. So it's packed with compounds that reduce pain perception and fight the cellular damage that's making everything worse. The polyphenols in cacao interrupt that inflammatory pathway, causing chronic pain. Now here's where we can make this practical to get these 5 foods into your body. You could try to eat these all separately throughout the day, or take 2 minutes, throw them in a blender, the avocado, berries, water, broccoli, cacao powder, and you're done. Everything your joints need to reduce inflammation, rebuild cartilage, stay lubricated, and protect themselves all in one glass in a smoothie. So start here with this, with what you're putting into your body. Because your body's not broken, it's just starving. Start feeding it right and you'll be amazed at what changes. And if you're dealing with specific issues, maybe low back pain, neck pain, and you don't know where to start, go ahead, book a virtual house call with me. We'll look at your situation, figure out what's happening with your body, with your spine and posture, and create specific recommendations tailored specific for you. And that way you can be your own guarantee for your health and your life.